Hello, dear Gemini. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal a reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 8 till the 15th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. If you have any queries, then you can mail us. Okay, now let's start, Gemini. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see, honey. We have the King of Swords. Okay, so someone here is kind of pissed off. Very pissed off kind of energy, very much in this energy of I don't care about Gemini. Who the hell are they? Yeah. Okay, someone is pissed off here. Let me clarify the King of Swords. They're being extra rude towards you, or they're being extra logical towards this whole situation. Okay, honey, what is wrong? Let's see. Let's clarify the King of Swords as their feelings for you. We have the Two of Wands, the King of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Okay. See, what is happening here is, Gemini, this person's energies towards you is I hate Gemini, I love Gemini. I hate Gemini, I love Gemini. But I have other options too. So I guess I should settle down with those options, and I am definitely going to find the love of my life. But I love Gemini, I hate Gemini. But I should never tell them that I am going through this kind of chaos, emotional chaos in my life. Okay. See what is happening here is this person is definitely dealing with other energy and or energies, but at the same time this person is so pissed off with you that you are not bothered by whatever they are doing, and they are kind of feeling like they should go towards other people, other situations, and be in a stable relationship. But at the same time, because they are pissed off with you, they are feeling like I hate Gemini, I love Gemini. I hate him, I love him. Them, not him or her. Yeah, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? King of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like you should remain as practical, as logical, and mature about the situation, grounded about the situation as you can. Okay, and not to create any kind of fuss or drama. Let's clarify. King of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Wands, the Four of Wands, the King of Wands. See, you understand in your feelings, you feel like this connection is over. This connection is not going to be the same as it used to be at some point of time. But you still feel drawn to the idea of maybe, okay, in the future. But at the same time, you feel like you should remain practical and grounded rather than wearing your heart on your sleeve. You should understand the logic, you should understand the truth of the situation, and you should stay in the reality of the situation. And the reality, according to you, is that this situation is never going to be what it used to be, or it's never going to be stable enough to become something long term or something like that. So let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Three of Pentacles. See, their intention is to sort it out with you in some way, so that you guys can like work as a team. Okay, especially if you guys were working together, or you were having a business together, or you're still working together, they want to make this situation work out somehow. If not, they definitely want you and them to come back as a team and put in the effort and energy, even if it means taking help from somebody else. Okay, to make this situation work out. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. We have the Four of Swords, the King of Cups, the Five of Cups, right? See, they want to heal the connection between you and them because of the regret and the guilt that they have in the connection, in the situation, because of whatever happened. they definitely want to sort it out with you and want to see at least one more time where it goes between you and them. So they are ready to take help from other people as well if it is required, in order to make the situation, in order to heal the situation between you and them, because of the regret and the guilt and the not so good energy that they are going through because of the situation. They're having major regrets or guilt regarding the situation. Take it how it resonates with you. And they want to heal the situation between you and them, and wants to give it one more chance and see where it can go. Hmm. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Three of Wands. You just want to move on from the situation. You are in this energy of 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation, and you just want to keep moving ahead. You don't want to look back. Okay, but at the same time, you have this energy of let's see what is going to happen in the future. You are not completely closed off. You're not completely open. You are in the middle of this energy of let's see. Hmm? Let's see. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. Eight of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Page of Swords. Yeah. See, you are scared of putting in the effort and energy in this direction. So you don't want to put any effort or any energy from your side. You just want to wait and watch from a distance. Although you want to keep tabs on this person, what they are up to, what they are doing, and everything, you just want to wait for this energy to show up and do something about it instead of doing anything from your side, because you are too scared to do anything in this direction, because you are kind of not sure whether it's ever going to happen between you and them. So that's why you just feel like you should just keep moving ahead instead of wasting your time and energy onto something that you know might or might never work out, right? Because you told me in that feeling, in your feelings as well about this. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 15th of December, Gemini. We have the Page of Swords. Okay, you are going to get some kind of knowledge about this person, some kind of message communication, some kind of, some kind of argument might happen between you guys, but at a distance. I don't see you guys coming face to face and fighting or something like that, but some kind of argument or some kind of this energy of coming together and fighting kind of deal. Not coming together as in face to face meeting or something. Let me see. We have the Eight of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Three of Cups, right? See, I do see communication happening, but this communication is not going to be like two mature adults talking to each other and sorting it out with each other. The communication is going to be so stressful for you guys that you guys are going to drop the situation for the time being, or drop the difficult communication for the time being, and just connecting as friends, just chilling as friends. Just be like, okay, nothing happened, everything is cool, let's hang out, making plans for the future, but as friends only. I don't see you guys being in this full on reconciliation energy, or full on this energy of okay, everything is sorted now, we can be together or something like that. You guys are going to start talking about the difficult stuff, but it's going to be so difficult that you guys are going to drop the difficult stuff, and you guys are stuff, and you are going to be like, okay, let's hang out, let's have a coffee maybe later on, let's do something not so serious. So this serious conversation is going to lead to the stressful energy of okay, let's drop the serious conversation, or maybe let's drop the connection for the time being, let's be friends again, let's hang out kind of energy, let's be cool about it. At least one of you is going to be present, be one of you is going to be in this energy of okay, let's be friends again, let's be cool about it, let's chill, not make it a big deal. Actually there is something going on that is a big deal, but one of you is going to be like, no, I can't handle it right now, maybe later on. I don't know when that later on is going to come. Okay. The guidance for you is the Two of Swords, right? See, if you don't know what to do, if you don't know what to do about this situation, don't do anything. Okay, just stay calm, stay in your own energies, work on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your healing, everything about you. You should be the number one priority of your life instead of this person or this situation. Okay, so don't make any kind of decision in any kind of confusion or in any kind of off energy. Once you are back in your essence, once you are going to feel balance in everything that from with every inch of your body and mind and spirit and emotions, then only make the decision regarding this area of your life. It is the most important one actually. Relationships play a very very important role in everybody's life, in spiritual growth as well and otherwise as well. Relationships can destroy you completely if they're not in alignment with your energy. So okay, make your choices wisely. Hmm? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.